Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to apply for a Venmo debit card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to go ahead and be opening up is the Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL. If you're on your mobile phone, just go and download the Venmo application. So after downloading it, you can open it up and now we can get started. So the first thing we can do once we open a Venmo is logging in. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one. On your PC, click get Venmo. If you want to create an account on your mobile phone, just click the register button and get started logging in with your mobile number. So once you have gotten your account, you can get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page that looks something like this. This is going to be our home page of Venmo, from where we can get started. We can access everything that we need right here in the sections tab, such as home, cards, and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and apply for a debit card. Here, as you can see on Venmo.com, we have this debit card section that's going to enable us to level up our Venmo and how we can get started. Basically, this card is going to enable us to earn up to 5% cashback, spend our Venmo balance. There are no monthly fees and no minimum balance. So what you can do, guys, is apply directly from the Venmo website or from the application itself. So you can go ahead and download the application and get started applying for it. So as you can see, you can get started in the Venmo app. You can scan this QR code, and once you scan it, it's going to open up the Venmo app from where you can get started for applying. You have the cards section right here. As you can see, your card section from where you can get started applying for a Venmo debit card that's going to enable you to use it however you want, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.